Good afternoon everyone. Today's topic is things around us. Today's topic is things around us. So first we will discuss about the earth. First we will discuss about the earth. What is the earth? What is the earth? Earth is the planet on which we live. Earth is the planet on which we live. Now we will discuss about environment. Now we will discuss about environment. Okay. Now who has created the earth? Who has created the earth? God. God has created this beautiful earth for us to live. Who has created this earth? The God has created this beautiful earth for us to live. Now, God has created so many things like the hills, mountains, rivers and so many things. So God has created hills, rivers, God has created like rivers, hills, rivers, mountains, the sun, moon, stars, sky and etc. So many things. So these all that things are created by God and these things are natural things. These things are natural things and these are created by God. Some things are created by human beings also, like some things are created by human beings like building, market, hospitals, schools. These things are created by human beings and we can say that man-made things. This is man-made things. These things are created by human beings. So these are environment. These are environment. Now we will discuss about living things and non-living things. Things around us. Living things, and non-living things. This is living things and non-living things. What are the examples of living things? What are the examples of living things? Plants, human beings. These are the example of living things. These are the example of living things. Now, what are the examples of non-living things? Like computer, table, fan, doll, building. These are the example of non-living things. Living things, plants, animals, birds and human beings. And non-living things, computer, table, fan, doll and buildings. Now, what is the living things? We will discuss about what is the living things. Living things, they can feel, they can breathe, they can eat, they can drink, they can move and they can grow. And non-living things, they cannot feel, they cannot breathe, they cannot grow, they cannot move one place to another place. So now we will discuss about the difference between living things and non-living things. Difference between living things and non-living things. Living things and non-living things. Difference between living things and non-living things. First difference, feel. Living things can feel, but non-living things they cannot feel. First difference is that living things they can feel, but non-living things they cannot feel. Second one, move. Living things can move one place to another place. Like we are human beings, we can move one place to another place. But non-living things they cannot move. Computers cannot move one place to another place. Table is cannot move one place to another place. So these are non-living things. So non-living things they cannot move. Third one is grow. Living things can grow. Living things can grow like plants, birds, animals, human beings. They can Now, fourth one. Eat or drink. Living things can drink and eat. Like birds, they can eat. Animals, they can eat. Human beings, they can eat. They can drink. But non-living things like computer. Computer can't eat. Computer cannot drink. Table, no. Fan, doll, building, they cannot drink and eat. They cannot. Non-living things cannot drink and eat. Last one. Breathe. Breathe. Living things can breathe, but non-living things cannot breathe. Living things, they can breathe, but non-living things, they cannot breathe. They cannot breathe. So these are the difference between living things and non-living things. First, we have discussed about Earth. What is the Earth? Earth is the planet on which we live. Earth is the planet on which we live. Now, who has created the Earth? Earth has created God. God has created this beautiful Earth. Who has created the Earth? God. God has created this beautiful Earth for us to live. Now, so many things are created by God, like hills, mountains, rivers, the sun, moon, sky, stars. These all are things are created by God, and some things are created by human beings also, like building, market, hospitals, schools. These things are created by human beings, and we can say these things are man-made things. We can say these things are man-made things. Now, living things and non-living things. Living things like plants, animals, birds, human beings. These are the example of living things. And non-living things, computer, table, fan, doll, building. These are the example of non-living things. Now, difference between living things and non-living things. First difference is that feed. Living things can feed, but non-living things they cannot feed. Next one, move. Living things can move, but non-living things they cannot move one place to another place. Third one, grow. Living things can grow, but non-living things cannot grow. Eat and drink. Living things can eat and drink, but non-living things they cannot drink and eat. Last one, breathe. Living things can breathe, but non-living things cannot breathe. So these are the difference between living things and non-living things. Now, we are coming to the point, how can we protect our environment? How can we protect our environment? How can we protect our environment? So we have to remember some points like do not cut the trees. Do not cut the trees. First point is there. Do not cut the trees. Second, save water. Do not cut the trees and save water. Do not cut the trees because trees gives us shade, trees gives us fruits, flowers, trees gives us oxygen, trees gives us medicine, so many things are there. So we have to save the trees also. Do not cut the trees. Trees gives us shade, fruits, flowers, oxygen and so many things. And we have to save water also. Do not wash clothes and bath animals in the river. Do not wash clothes and bath animals in the river. It makes the water dirty. It makes the water dirty. So we have to save water also. Do not waste paper. Do not waste paper. Many trees are cut to make paper. Do not cut the papers. Do not waste the papers because so many trees are cut to make trees. Do not throw plastic bags. Do not throw plastic bags. So these are the points so that we can protect our environment. These some points are there so that we can protect our environment. So this is the topic of environment. Thank you, children. Tomorrow we will continue.